Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 channel. With the help of Chatgpt, we can harness the power of chat to make these passive income ideas as easy to implement as possible for all of us. I am super excited to share some of the most innovative and revolutionary passive income ideas with you in this video. In my role as a host of this channel, my goal is to provide as many people with opportunities to make money online as possible, so I'm passionate about bringing you all kinds of side hustles. Before we dive into the juicy details of making money and all the good stuff, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel because you won't want to miss any new and exciting content I will share every day. Now let's look at Chatgpt. It's an extensive language model that can be used to analyze large amounts of data. I'm sure many of you are already familiar with it, but for those who don't, I'd like to introduce you to it. Let me tell you, this makes it an incredibly powerful software when it comes to knowing and identifying patterns in the market and thus maximizing profits in online businesses, regardless if you're in cryptocurrency trading, sneaker reselling, phone flipping, or any other venture. Chatgpt can provide comprehensive assistance, and one of its most captivating applications is in the domain of cryptocurrency trading. Although you may have heard this previously, it's worth noting that cryptocurrency trading can yield substantial profits while carrying significant risks. Nevertheless, Chat can offer valuable aid by examining market data and detecting patterns, thus allowing us to make knowledgeable decisions. With the help of trends, we can even create bots that alert us when the Bitcoin price crosses a certain level or drops below a certain level. But even though it can be difficult to build these kinds of bots, Chatgpt can make them much more accessible for people who aren't developers. Another passive income stream that many people find appealing is dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products and marking them up. Having your suppliers deliver your products directly to your customers is a great way to pocket the profits, but here's the deal. Finding profitable niches and products is one of the biggest challenges with dropshipping. Again, Chatgpt is a valuable tool to identify profitable niches and products based on market data. Additionally, Chatgpt will help us identify profitable products and niches based on customer reviews, identify hot-selling products and sentiments, or even provide recommendations on the most profitable products to sell based on historical data to identify hot-selling items. We can also identify the best suppliers and manufacturers by analyzing the quality of their products, delivery times, costs, customer service, and more by utilizing Chatgpt. To enhance our likelihood of success, it's essential to acknowledge that although Chat can be a highly effective tool, it's not a miraculous solution. Using Chat to generate profits entails considerable effort. However, comprehending the potential of Chat and learning how to use it can provide a substantial edge over others. To sum up, I trust that this video has assisted you in grasping the capabilities of Chat. My objective for this video is to get you thinking about passive income and how it can be turned into a full-time income. I know I have thrown a bunch of information at you, but don't worry, I will be covering those topics in greater detail in future videos. Make sure to check out my channel and stay tuned. This Top 4 and make sure to subscribe and hit like button. See you in next video.